Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vel Perez and I am a makeup, nail, lash artist. Thank you if you're new here. Go ahead and subscribe if you do want more lash content. In today's video, just like the title says, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my 5 favorite products from Amazon if you're a lash technician. Yes, so without being said, let's go ahead and get on into this video. So Amazon is a must-have. Like, I cannot go a day or two without ordering anything because, I mean, it's Amazon. Like, it's super cheap, super affordable. It's like Christmas every day in my house and I love it. Like, I'm just addicted. Like the video if you're addicted as well, but I can't get enough with it. I know these are products that I must have. So the first one is normal saline. Now you're probably wondering, Vel, like, why do you want water in a bottle? But honestly, it works really good to cleanse the lashes. I have been loving it to cleanse. It doesn't have much of anything, and that's the point. It does have like a little bit of salt, a little bit of sodium chloride, but that's okay. I feel like it won't do any harm. I mean, for me, it's been working, so I like it. It is super affordable. I bought mine for a pack of, for about $14 for a pack of 4. So, I mean, this thing will last you a very long time. These are 100 mLs, and I'm sure you can find them smaller or bigger jars, however you want to use, but Saline's a must for me. Alright, the next product is something that I have had forever. I got it off of Amazon when I was not when I was a makeup artist, but when I was getting my makeup kit ready. I bought this. It comes with a little, like a fishbowl looking jar, and what you do is you connect your makeup brush onto it and then you just hit the button, and it has a few different speeds, and this puppy like spins. It spins really fast, and I mean, this is the correct size for your glue. I know, huh? This is amazing. So you just pop in your glue, make sure you don't let it go out of control. I put it on the highest setting, and you can spin it for, you can do 10, 20, 30 seconds. I mean 60 seconds, and you don't have to mix your glue for the rest of your day, like if you're having like a long lash day. And then it just pops right out. Yeah, this is my new glue. Self plug. I'm gonna be sharing with you this glue in a video. I don't know if I should just share it here or so this is my new glue, guys. It is amazing. I'm not saying that just because I'm saying it. Like, there are a million glues on the market. If you want me to talk about it, I will talk about it. I will be using it in my next lash with me video, so you can just see for yourself. I'm going to be showing you guys like a 2-week after when the client comes in, so that this can speak for itself. Like, I'm just gonna shut up. I love it, so proud mom. The next thing you can buy on Amazon is tape, and again, I do have a tape. This is mine. This is a little bit different. They're both pretty much similar. They're poreless, or no, what is it called? They have pores. Oh, that freaking, oh my god, guys. There was an eyelash fan stuck to here, and I thought it was a damn spider. I'm going home. Okay, so this is the Michibon tape. It is one of the most amazing tapes on the line, like out there. You can buy it on Amazon. I like this one mainly because it's super tacky, and also it's really white. Like, it is just that deep white. Like, it almost makes the lashes stand out even more. So if you're blind, if you feel like you have problems seeing, this tape works really well. I freaking give it a million thumbs up, so try that out. The next thing I feel like you need is a little aftercare kit. You can make this however you want. You can be super affordable by going to like the Dollar Tree. They have cute little netting ones, but if you want to do something like super cute, I do recommend these. This is what I got on Amazon, the packaging, not what's inside. Oh, I'm wrong. The cards I got from Amazon. So it's an Aftercare card, And all I do is put in 2 lip ones and a cute little glittered spoolie, which I also got on Amazon. Ironic, now this is like a lot of Amazon products. But yeah, so I feel like you should take the time to make little aftercare kits. They are spending a good amount of money. I do like to put little glitter pieces in here. I'm gonna try to zoom in. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, at the bottom, do you see the little sequins? I like to be a little extra, so I put those in there because I like everything to like sparkle, you know? But yeah, it's super cute, super affordable. I think it's a pack of 100 for like no more than $15, maybe even cheaper. So get you some. I think it's a must-have. If you are lashing people, you need to provide aftercare kits. At least even just the aftercare card, those were pretty cheap as well. I want to say I got like 100 of them for like 10 bucks maybe. And the last product I have to show you is this little tech light. It's a little baby ring light. I have my big ring light and this is its little child. But yeah, it's a ring light. You pop it on your phone and it helps you take amazing lash pictures. You just get up close and it just provides a lot of lighting, like right there around your camera. Oops, on this side I mean. Yeah, so it provides like the right amount of lighting, so it's a must-have. It's super cheap. I think I bought it for like about $6. And Amazon is amazing because they have, if you have Prime, it's even better because it has really fast shipping. Like I sometimes get my things the next day, which is insane to me. I don't know how, like my brain can't function on how that works, but obviously, yeah. But yeah, so it has a few different settings. You can go brighter and lighter, and I love it. Like I cannot not take pictures without this. It is a must-have. So yeah, so there definitely are like a million more must-have products that I can share with you guys. Let me know if you want to see another video like this one by liking the video. Also subscribe if you have not yet, and hit the notification bell so that it notifies you every single time I upload a new video like this one. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.